Alright guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance schedule for your 2018 Toyota Camry. So you want to get to the display over here on these guys, down to the settings, pushing these knobs on the steering wheel. I'll go back just so you guys know where I'm going to. We're going to go down to settings. You can go all the way right, or if you go left it's quicker. Go to your right. That one there is vehicle settings. You want to push and hold the OK button here, and then it'll take you to this screen, and then you go down to scheduled maintenance. Click OK there. And then, would you like to reset data? Yes. Reset complete. That's it, guys. Toyota came up with a different procedure this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.